Hey y'all, what is up? I got the dollar store chocolate Landmark Confections milk chocolate solid. Oh wow. That's actually really good. Product of Poland. This was $1, bro. This is a really good deal. Because Hershey's bars now, they made them smaller. They're like half the size of this. Bro, that's really good. It's just simple ingredients. Milk chocolate, sugar, cocoa butter, milk, coconut liqueur, hazelnut paste. I bet that's why it tastes a little better. It has a hazelnut in there. It's simple stuff. It's not loaded with a bunch of artificial crap. Damn. Oh, I should have gotten more. I highly recommend this. That's goddamn amazing, bro. Flavor is 10 out of 10. I'm gonna give it a 15 out of 10. Value, this is $1, bro. This is a 15 out of 10 too. Holy crap. Maybe because it was made in Poland. I know like chocolate from Europe tastes way better. They don't put all that fake stuff that American products have. I highly recommend that, guys. That's it for this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna head to the gym in like probably an hour or two. Yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Definitely try that out. The next time I go to a dollar store, I'm probably gonna buy like 2-3 bars. Peace out, y'all. Stay safe.